We are here on location waiting for, wait a minute, we're waiting for, I think I hear the trucks coming. Here they come now. We're about to have a concrete pour on location. Ortalis concrete. Come with me and let's watch this truck do its due. We got the truck backing into the location. It's a tight squeeze. These drivers are so trained with these big, heavy trucks getting in these tight situations. If you look, the cliff is just right next to me.
Please subscribe and like this video if you want to continue learning about concrete and following Ortalis on these first-class concrete pours in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Also, hit the notification bell. Thank you.
And how they have to get past these little nooks and crannies and just look how close they are to the cliff. That takes skill and courage. Ortalis concrete. We are here to get the job done because we are the poor people's choice. Let's look how close this cliff is to the edge of the curb. Keep that in mind. Look how close it is. There's no barriers. There's no nothing. It's just dirt and then cliff. That is scary. Very, very scary. But keep in mind, we are here for this and we are gonna get the job done. Ortalis concrete, the poor people's choice. Here on location, there's never a dull moment. Right now we're getting the concrete ready for our first pour on location. And we're bringing you here live and direct, Ortalis concrete. Listen to that concrete come out. Yeah, so now it's pouring. Come take a look. Living on an island, it's very important to understand the elements you live in. So earlier today we had some rain, so this pour was scheduled for earlier in the day. But we had to wait for the rain to stop and for things to dry, and the sun does dry up things fairly quick here, so that's a good thing. So right now we're just on a different time schedule because of the elements, and that's something that Ortalis always takes into consideration when they're dealing with our top tier customers, and that is you. That is you. Subscribers know, new subscribers will soon find out. As the contractors even out what's being poured in that foundation, he knows the exact amount that it takes to fill those spots. He knows the exact location, where to put, where they need more, where they need less. It's so much involved in this process that we have to understand what takes place. Like I said, our subscribers know already, but you new subscribers, we have so much to tell you and we have a lot to give away. So make sure you subscribe.
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
So there you have it, man. Ortalis concrete. 1 yard pour on location, 3,000 PSI. And that's how it's done. It's not that simple, but with Ortalis Concrete, the poor people's choice, it can be that simple.